I said this is the best summer camp I ever been.
Welcome to my TC town. We've got history and a foodie town. We are the junior TC guys. We'll show you how to do it right.
台中 train station, Mia Hala top ice cream in town. Meituan was the little Kyoto. Asian Square has different show. Herbal Street, oh get you chill. Jiguan Street, you had it all. Mitsumame oishii yo. The sun cake picture history told. We will let you know the cuisine building and beyond. We are the junior TC walk. Come with us, we will show you all. Come with us, we will show you all.
So, from which point you felt I can feel more relaxed and I can share my ideas and opinions?
From team, we can share our idea and go somewhere to buy something.
You mean the team activity, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Recommend this summer camp to them, and why do you think that this is a summer camp that they should come if you think that you will recommend this?
I think in this summer camp we can learn more about Taichung and the relationship, not like teacher and student, more like we are friends. I don't have the
stress. The stress.
Yeah. The stress. And I think it's free and yeah, 无拘无束.
Yeah, feel free, right? Yeah.
I actually know how to stop things. Listen carefully. Ta-da! This is the sun cake.
Whoa!
Wow. I have sugar. I have flour. Sun cake.
But I'm the wolfman. No, you are the man. But I'm the wolfman, you know? To be or not to be? That's a big question. Ah! Because of the sun cake, the wolf never changed back again, and he decided to build a sun cake museum. Welcome to my museum.
This world, the coronavirus has infected over 4 billion people, and people who are infected become like zombies and try to infect others. Right now, the coronavirus is chasing the 2 tourists.
I want you! Come here!
The train station has 3 generations, so this is the first generation. Both of these, it was made of wood.
Yeah, ready?
Go.
Ching cha, ching cha.
I feel full of power.
Aha! You guys are here!
Oh, at least I have my ice cream I bought in a Miyahara sweet shop. I think it can comfort me. I wonder how it tastes like.
Ice cream!
No way! My ice cream! It's stitch cover! Wait, why you have to be here?
Hello, I'm the genie of the Green River. It's been 300 years since the last time I came out.
While having a lovely day with a genie, Ling Jialong is also preparing for something big. So what is it? Let's keep watching.
So, will you marry me?
Stop it. You can't marry me.
Why? What? Why?
10 years ago, the day you summoned the genie, and I standing on the Sakura Bridge, and I saw him.
I saw her too.
What would be the one thing that you remember about this camp?
Maybe the night when we play poker again.
Yeah.
Like last night we danced together.
Right.
Yeah.
You like the dance?
Yeah.
Which part was the experience was your favorite? And you learned a lot more about Taichung, right?
History.